Next, I'm going to work on the borders of this area. Well, hi, Lily. You want to come help me? That was nice and soft in your paws for now. Okay, back to the project. I'm going to remove those that are to the left and in front because they merge into the gravel area that will have the same material. On the other sides, I'll have to remove the bricks temporarily, run the fabric beneath, and put the bricks back on top to complete the border. So that will contain the gravel. And I've ordered a yard of clean, crushed granite gravel to be delivered tomorrow. There's no urgency in getting this done, but at the same time, I want to get it done. Always entertaining. Bye, Lily. I no longer need these two borders here, so I'll simply pull them out, get it out of the way. This one's easy. This edging material may not be as easily removed. Well, then again, these are plastic or vinyl spikes and a recycled rubber border edging. Not too bad. There's two sections. Removal is always easier than installation. There we go. The existing fabric underneath this same granite that I ordered is the same. So I'll slide the new fabric underneath. It's gonna take two hands to do that. Let's get her then. We got a good rain coming down now, which is really good. We needed it, and it will help settle down the dirt that's beneath this fabric. I need to really get that wet, and that will help settle it even more in preparation for bringing in the gravel. I'm going to finish removing this brick edging. Not needed. Use the same fabric to keep the weeds from growing up through this gravel. And I will just shove this underneath once I smooth it out. The rest of the brick border I will keep in place, lifting up the bricks and placing the fabric underneath the bricks. Here, this is going to be mulch. On this side, I'm going to replace the sod. I need to remove a layer of sod here, about a foot or so, and that way I can have a smoother transition for the border. Overlapping the fabric at this edge has been a little bit more troublesome than I expected, but it's definitely doable. I just gotta move that gravel out of the way, even out the dirt, and staple the new fabric over the top, then trim it up. I finished putting the weed block fabric beneath the borders and where the gravel will be going with no borders. That was a workout. For a guy my age, I'm hurting. Just the physical lifting the bricks and moving them and then adjusting them and constant changes while it was raining. But anyway, I got it done. Tomorrow the gravel comes. I don't need to put it on there right away. I will use a wheelbarrow and bring it in a load at a time.